Okay, let's talk about the suffix ed. When something happened some time ago, whether it was a long time ago or a moment ago, you usually add ed to the action or verb. Now, ed can be pronounced 3 different ways. You might hear it pronounced as id, as in landed, we landed the plane. It might be pronounced as d, just a d by itself, like I yelled at my brother to stop, yelled. Or it can even be pronounced as t, as in I asked for help, or I winked at my neighbor. So let's practice those 3 sounds of ed. Are you ready? The second sound of ed, sometimes it sounds like d. Just the sound d. D. Okay? Let's try some words with that sound. It's still always spelled ed, but the sound is different. Right? Okay, let's sound out the root word. Yell. Say it fast. Yell. All right, now we're going to add the ed. Ready? Yelled. You hear it? It's just a d. Yelled. Yelled. There's no other sound. It's almost like it looked like this, but that wouldn't make sense. We added ed to it, meaning it already happened in the past, and it's pronounced yelled. Good job. Let's try this root word. You ready? Okay. The root word is fill. Sound it out. Fill. Say it fast. Fill. Let's add ed to it. Filled. He filled the glass with orange juice. Okay. Let's do another one that rhymes with that. You ready? Mill. Say it fast. Mill. Good. Now let's add ed. Milled. Milled. She milled the flour for bread. Okay, let's sound out our root word. Spell. Say it fast. Spell. Okay, now let's add ed. Spelled. Spelled. Good job. She spelled ed. Okay. Let's sound out our root word. Mull. Mull. Say it fast. Mull. Now we'll add ed. Mulled. Mulled. She mulled thought over in her head. Yeah, she thought about it for a minute. Ready? Let's practice this root word. Buzz. Say it fast. Buzz. Now let's add ed. Buzzed. Buzzed. The bee buzzed towards me. Okay. Now let's look at this big root word. You ready? Happen. Happen. Say it fast. Happen. Okay, now let's add ed. Happened. Happened. I happened to catch my brother playing in the backyard. Happened. Good job. That was ed with the sound of d. Now there's one more sound that ed can make at the end of words, and that is t. T. Okay, so let's practice this one and see what we get. Are you ready? Okay, let's practice the root word bump. Sound it out. Bump. Say it fast. Bump. Now we're going to add ed. Bumped. Bumped. You hear it? It's just a T sound. Bumped. I bumped into my sister. Good job. Okay. The root word here is kiss. Kiss. Now we're going to add ed. Kissed. You hear that T sound? Kissed. I kissed my sister's knee because it got scratched when I bumped her. Okay, ready? Root word is ask. Ask. Now let's add ed. Asked. Asked. I asked for more. Asked. That's a hard one because it ends in a K, right? Ready? Let's sound out our root word. Crush. Say it fast. Crush. Now let's add ed. Crushed. Crushed. I crushed the snow into a snowball. You ready? Let's sound out our root word. Stamp. 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 Now we'll add ed. Stamped. Stamped. Mom stamped the envelope. Okay. Here's another one. Sound out our root word. Yank. Yank. Now we're going to add ed. Yanked. Yanked. Good. I yanked the rubber band from my friend before he could shoot it at me. Okay. Ready? Let's sound out this root word. Spank. 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 And we'll add ed. Spanked. Spanked. That's right. Spanked has that t on the end. Spanked. Good job. Ed, and the three sounds of ed are id, d, and t. Right? Good job.